Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nicholas Manaya. I'm the leader of the Group 7, and the Group 7 is consisting of Nicholas Manaya, myself, Nathanael, Taufikur Rahman, Naufal, and Raihan. We're gonna presentate about the prepositional text and adjective clause. Starting for me, what is a prepositional phrase? A prepositional phrase is a group of words consisting of a preposition itself, its object, and any words that modify the object. Most of the time, a prepositional phrase modifies a verb or a noun. These two kinds of prepositional phrases are called adverbial phrases and adjectival phrases, respectively. Some of the most common prepositions that begin prepositional phrase are to, of, about, at, before, after, by, behind, during, for, from, and over, under, and with. For example, on example 1, he arrived in time. And example 2 is he really going out with that guy? To these two basic elements, modifiers can be freely added, which means we can modify the in on the first example to become in the nick of time at the example 1 on the bottom, on the below. And the example number 2 is really going out with that guy, and with that guy we can modify as with that tall and gorgeous guy. That's all from me, and next will be proceeded by the next member also. Thank you very much.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Nathanael Gamas dari 12 IPA 4. Saya akan membacakan hasil presentasi kelompok kami, yaitu kelompok 7. Prepositional phrases that modify nouns. When a prepositional phrase attaches upon a noun, we say it is behaving adjective verb because adjectives modifies nouns. A prepositional phrases then behaves adjectivally is scaled quickly logically, and adjectival phrases in the first of the sentences in the middle answers the question of which get the writer thinks is the closest. Similarly, on Main Street gives us information about which store the writer is driving, and the like tells us what kind of cabin the writer's mother is dreaming about. All of these adjectival phrases provided specificity to a noun in order to enhance or understanding. Prepositional phrases acting as nouns. When prepositional phrase attaches upon a noun, it behaves adjectival, but prepositional phrases can also attach as a noun in self. Check out the example below. Sekian dari saya, terima kasih.
Prepositional phrases that modify verbs. When a prepositional phrase acts upon a verb, we say it is behaving adverbially because adverbs modify verbs. A prepositional phrase that behaves adverbially is called an adverbial phrase. For example, to find the person who stole the last cookie, look behind you. Another example, Harry drank his butterbeer with fervor. In the first sentence, behind you answer the question, look where. In the second sentence, with fervor, answer the question, drank how.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Taufikur Rahman Alwizafieri. I'm from 12 MIPA 4. So, thank you for my friend Raihan for explaining the previous topic. Okay, so today I'm gonna be explaining how to avoid excessive prepositional phrases. Okay, it is tempting to overuse preposition and prepositional phrases. If you see more than one preposition for every 10 or 15 words in your writing, you should edit some of them out. You may be surprised at how much more elegant and economical your writing is when you make the effort to do this. Okay, the example is, it is best to behave with caution when running with a sword in the presence of Magneto. There is nothing grammatically incorrect about this sentence, but it has two with phrases, an of phrase and an in phrase, which is a sure sign that it could be written more efficiently. So the correct example will be, in Magneto's presence, run cautiously with swords. Okay, thank you. So next, my friend Naufal gonna be explaining.
Thank you, Fieri, for the explanation. And our next topic will be using adjective clauses as prepositional phrase modifiers. By definition, adjective clauses mean a type of dependent or subordinate clause consists of a relative pronoun followed by a clause that consists of a subject and a predicate, also known as relative clauses. Adjective clauses perform adjectival functions. In grammar, a prepositional phrase modifier is a word, phrase, or a clause that modifies or describes a prepositional phrase. Adjective clauses sometimes function as prepositional phrase modifiers or prepositional phrase performing nominal function in English, only which adjective clauses function as prepositional phrase modifiers. Examples of adjective clauses as prepositional phrase modifiers include the following: behind the machine shed, which is overgrown with wheat, need mowed. After 6, which is usually also after dinner, is also a good time to call. And that is it from us. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.